find an equation for the plane which passes through the points, these 3 points. Okay, so for the equation of a plane we need 2 things. We need a point, okay, x naught, y naught, g naught, just 1 point. We got 3 points, so we can use any of these 3. And we also need a vector normal to the plane. Okay, normal vector, any normal vector. Okay, we need 2 things, and we denote that by A, B, C. And we are missing that. Once we have these 2 ingredients, then the equation for the plane is given by this formula, because A, B, C, normal vector, any normal vector by the way, x, y, z, those are variables, stay there. X naught, y naught, z naught is just a point, and we can use any of these 3. Okay, so since we have 3 points, let's say these are P, Q, R. Now we can find the vector PQ, and we can also find PR. Okay, and if we find the cross product of PQ and PR, okay, these 2 vectors are on the plane. When we find the cross product, then the vector will be orthogonal to both of these 2 vectors. That means this vector will be normal to the plane. Okay, just perpendicular to the plane, normal to the plane. So let's find PQ. PQ is just Q minus P, so this will be 1 minus negative 1, 2, 1 minus 2, negative 1, 1 minus 3, negative 2. PR, 0 minus negative 1, 1, negative 1 minus 2, negative 3, 0 minus 3, negative 3. Okay, we could have found QR as well. Just 2 vectors using these 3 points. Now find the cross product, and we find in this way I, J, K, and the cross product is just a vector, negative 3, 4, 5, negative 5, and this is orthogonal to both PQ and PR. That means our normal vector to the plane, and this is in fact in this formula just A, B, C. Okay, now we just use this formula and done. Now in fact any equation, any constant multiple of this normal vector is also normal to the plane. So an equation of the plane is A is now negative 3 x minus x naught. We can use any of these 3 points. Let's use 1, 1, 1. Okay, we could have used any. Then x minus 1 plus b here 4, y minus 1 plus c is negative 5, g minus 1 equals 0. Let's simplify. This is in standard form. Now we can change this into general form, which is not necessary, but let me do it anyways. Negative 3x plus 3 plus 4y minus 4 minus 5z plus 5 equals 0. Negative 3x plus 4y minus 5z equals, oh, numbers, look at 3 minus 4, negative 1, negative 1 plus 5, positive 4, move over negative 4. And we can multiply by negative 1 as well. Okay, that's why this is an equation, final.